Good morning, students. Today I will start chapter 2 Polynomial, lecture number 1. Today I will discuss basics. First of all, constant. What is constant? The value which cannot be changed, or we can say that it remains same. For example, all types of number like 1, 0, 2, -4, 3/4 and root 2. Clear? And then variable, the value which can be vary or differ or change from situation to situation is called variable. It is denoted by English alphabet A, B, C up to so on and X, Y, Z up to so on. For example, x plus y equal to 10. Here x and y, they are variable and 10 is constant. If you put in place of x3, you will get y is equal to 7. And secondly, if you put in place of x4, then value of y will be 6. Here you see very attentively, value of x and y are differ, or you can say vary. But the sum of x, y, 3 plus 7 also 10, 4 plus 6 also 10. So the value of constant remains same. And then algebraic expression. You listen carefully. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable. A combination of constant and variable connected by the sign of fundamental operations plus, minus, multiply and divide is called algebraic expression. You see very attentively, algebraic expression equal to constant into variable whole to the power a rational number. You can see like this. Constant, suppose constant you take 2, then variable you take x, and rational number may be 1/2. So this 2 into x to the power 1/2 is an algebraic expression. For example, 7x to the power 3 minus 11y to the power 8 plus 8. The 8 is a constant. 3 and 2, they are exponent, they are the power. X and y, they are variable. And what is 7? 7 is the coefficient of x cube. And what is minus 11? Minus 11 is the coefficient of y square. And 7x cube minus 11y square and 8. 7x cube minus 11y square and 8 are the terms of this algebraic expression. You see next example, 11x cube minus 3y square. Then you can say that here 11 is the coefficient of x cube, minus 3 is the coefficient of y square. Clear? Now students, what is polynomial? An algebraic expression whose exponent is a whole number is called a polynomial. For example, polynomial equal to constant into variable raised to the power whole number. For example, constant we take -2, variable x, and whole number you can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, x to the power 5. So it is a polynomial. For example, 3x to the power 3 minus 7y plus 6. It is a polynomial because exponent is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number, and this 6 you can write 6 equal to 6 into x to the power 0, because you know very well x to the power 0 equal to 1. So it is a polynomial because exponent is a whole number. Next, second, 7 upon x to the power 3 plus root 2. This you can write 7 into x to the power minus 3 plus root 2. It is not a polynomial because here exponent is not a whole number. It is minus 3. Then third, 5 into root y plus 9. So root y you can write like this. Y root means power 1 upon 2 plus 9. So 1 upon 2 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Now some examples of polynomial. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Let it is p of x. It is a polynomial in one variable because variable is 1, only x. Next, 4x to the power 4 plus 3xy plus 7. You can write p of x and y because here variable is x and y. So polynomial in two variables. This is called polynomial in two variables. Next one is 7x square plus root 2xy plus y square equal to p of x variable, y variable, here z variable, z. So this polynomial is in three variable because here variable are 3. Clear, students? Now next,